Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a playlist in Amazon Music. Whether you're cleaning up old playlists or just want to organize your music library better, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to music.amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Amazon Music account so you can access all your playlists and library content. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Amazon Music homepage. Look at the top menu where you'll see several options. Click on Library, and from the drop-down that appears, select Music. This will take you to your personal music collection where all your saved content is stored. Next, click on Playlists. This section displays all the playlists you've created or saved to your account. You'll see them organized in a grid or list format, making it easy to browse through your collection. Now find the playlist you want to delete, hover your mouse over that specific playlist. When you do this, you'll notice 3 dotted lines appear. Click on those 3 dots and a menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, select Delete Playlist. This action tells Amazon Music that you want to permanently remove this playlist from your library. Although I'm not currently subscribed to Amazon Music, I can show you what happens next. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you really want to delete this playlist. This is Amazon's way of making sure you don't accidentally remove something you wanted to keep. Simply click Delete in that pop-up to confirm your decision, and that's it. Your playlist will be removed from your Amazon Music library, freeing up space and helping you keep your collection organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.